Amavulandela Muthi, and it plays a beautiful role in spirituality in a sense ukuthi manje isondeza abantu abadala and umuthi omuhle regarding your spirituality and inhlanhla zakho ukuthi mafuna inhlanhla like emsebenzini in a sense ukuthi manje uyageza ngawo. Thokozani makhehla, thokozani bogogo, thokozani bomkhulu. Igama lami uMoyane insizwa kaNkosi. Right, today we'll be talking about Amavulandela. Amavulandela umuthi, and it plays a beautiful role in spirituality in a sense ukuthi manje isondeza abantu abadala and umuthi omuhle regarding your spirituality and inhlanhla zakho ukuthi mafuna inhlanhla like emsebenzini in a sense ukuthi manje uyageza ngawo. Right, now Amavulandela, you can use it ekhaya, you can use it emsebenzini when ufuna ukuthi ukhuphuke emsebenzini, you can use it to introduce yourself emadlozini. Right, Amavulandlela into efana nalomuthi kanje, but now this one ayikagayiwa isase-rough, but now for you to use it kwamele ibe fine so that ukuthi manje ibe powder like so that when you want to use it must be consumer izokwazi ukuthi yenze lento umuntu kuyenza, and then so that it cannot harm you as a person. Right, uyakwazi ukufutha ngayo, uyakwazi ukugeza ngayo, uyakwazi ukuphahla ngayo. Mawuphahla ngayo simply means that you mix it with impepho, uyakwazi ukuthi uyishise ulayitela ngamakhandlela kodwa while ifine not rough kanje. Shisa impepho uthela phezulu kwayivuthuzela phezulu kwempepho, then you speak your heart out so that ukuthi abantu abadala bakwazi ukuthi bavule indlela bakusondele. Umuthi omuhle ke lona, so now uyakwazi ukuthi mawuzophalaza ngawo uphalaza ukhuluma. Each and every muthi osebenzisayo usebenzisa ngendlela ukuthi manje kwamele ukhulumise. If awukhulumisi, it defeats the purpose of you using umuthi, right? Mawuzosebenzisa kwamele manje uphahlele ecala, meaning that uyawubika. Mawuzowubika ubika emsamo wakini, and then uyasho ukuthi uphumaphi uyaphi kanjani, and uzosebenzisa ngesizathu sithizeni ngoba manje there's different parts ukuthi usebenzisa ngakhona. Le ayikhiphi isichitho, le idonsa inhlanhla, le ivulela abantu abadala izindlela, le ivulela wena izindlela in whatever problems that you're facing, that you encounter as a person. Ngoba manje you can encounter financial problems, so that manje ke uyayivula izindlela ukuthi ube nemali ebonakalayo. Uvula futhi ukuthi abantu abadala bakusondele namaphupho wakho njalo ukuthi wabone and akukhanyisele ngendlela efanelekile, meaning that ukuthi manje mawuzowuphuza mawuzophalaza ngawo uyasho ukuthi ucela ukuthi bakuvulele amaphupho, bakuvulele imibono, bakuvulele inhlanhla yemali, bakuvulele ukuthi abantu abadala ubabone ngendlela eright, bangazi ukuthi ke manje baza ngathi yipoke kwelapha kuwena. So now uyakwazi futhi ukuthi uchele nangayo lapha endlini ukuthi ikwazi ukuthi isuse imimoya thizeni ukuthi nanoma usebenza nanoma ubaphahlisela ukuthi izinto zakho uzokwazi ukuthi zikukhanyele zivuleke ngendlela efanelekile. So now masugayile umuntu oyesikhathini, you cannot touch lona muthi lona. Awukwazi ukuthi manje uthinte ngoba manje uyawubulala umuthi ngosesikhathini, meaning that ona kwamele uzame ngakho konke manje ukuthi uhlenzekile awukho esikhathini ngoba manje kunemimoya eminingi ezokwazi ukuthi manje uqindezele while uyuza lona muthi lo usesikhathini, because manje it defeats the purpose of ukuthi usebenzise ngoba manje you are regarded as ukuthi manje awukho clean to the core, yabo. So now as isangoma before nginika umuntu lona muthi lo kwamele mina ngubike esayidini lakithi ngisho ukuthi liya kakhumalo liya kwasithole liya kwabani ukuthi ke manje ukwazi ukuthi nawe mawufika emsamo wakini ukwazi ukuthi usebenzise ngendlela eright, ukuthi nanoma uzowubika nanoma uzosebenzisa bawamukele lo muthi ngoba uzabe ukhanyiselele kuphi la kaNkosi, ngoba manje angeke ukwazi ukuthi ukusebenzele if awukhanyiselanga. So now izinto nje ongakwazi ukuthi usiconsider before using the muthi is that kwamele ukuthi ungalali nomuntu wesifazane, kwamele ukuthi ungalali nomuntu wesilisa before using lo muthi lo, ngoba manje into into uyidingayo is that udinga inhlanhla zakho zivuleke. Umuthi it's something pure and clean. Izinto kumele ukuthi ukuthi mazosebenzisa khehla lami is that kwamele manje mazowuhlanganisa ayihambi yodwa ihamba neminye imithi, so that ukuthi manje ikwazi ukuthi ihlangane ngendlela efanelekile manje, meaning that we infuse the muthi ukuthi ikwazi ukuthi isizane. So now this is the foundation yakhona ukuthi mawufuna ukuthi into zakho zivuleke uzoqala ukuthi Amavulandela kodwa ihamba neminye imithi lesiye for instance ufaka uphamba lamangoma obonhlanhla mhlophe ukuthi manje izinto zakho zihlangane ngendlela efanelekile nabantu abadala bakwazi ukuthi ba-acknowledge lento ozoyenza ngoba ziyasizana imithi yayihlanganisa ngendlela efanelekile so that ukuthi ikwazi ukusebenzele and ikwazi ukuthi ukuvulele izinhlanhla ngale way wena ufuna ukuthi uvulele ngakhona so kuya ngokuthi isangoma sakho or inyanga yakho ukuthi uyidida kanjani imithi yakho kodwa the most important thing that you can use it for is ukuthi uphahle ngayo ugeze ngayo uphalaze ngayo so now ama-restrictions ukuthi ungawusebenzisi uzulazula uye estradini let's say bazokunika treatment for 3 days make sure you follow up that treatment for 3 days because of now if uzoyeca wenzeni it defeats the purpose of you using it because of now you do not acknowledge ngendlela efanelekile so kubalekile for wena as a person ukuthi uhloniphe umuthi kubalekile for wena ukuthi ulandelele ngendlela efanelekile as instructed as esangoma sakho sokutshelini so each and every single time before using it kwamele nje uphahlele ukuthi ukhinya uphahlele ngicela ukuthi ungisize ngalokhu nalokhu kodwa angeke ucela izinto eziyi-1000 for that particular time because of now these things take time at some point ngoba manje uzocela ukuthi bakunike inhlanhla yemali into kumele ukuthi uyenze wena is that kwamele ubikele and be specific on what you want ukuthi yile ofuna ukuthi ivuleke right before uzo-consumer the disadvantages yakhona is that it's how it's preserved iwome kangakanani ukuthi ungawusebenzisa ethiwa into engishoyo and umuthi ubola ngesizathu sokuthi ke manje it's wet but when it's dry and it's well preserved definitely sure you can consume it and it's eatable and you can ukuthi ugeze ngayo and then angeke ibe nama after effects in a sense ukuthi ke manje uvela ama-rush nakho konke lokho lo muthi lo sebenzisa abantu aba like age-wise meaning that from 10 years till umuntu ogugile so now into ongayenza is that when as a person you just need to respect it ngendlela efanelekile and use it properly as instructed so that ukuthi whatever lo uyicelayo ukusebenzele ngendlela efanelekile